I just got these tires in because look at these old ones. They get stuck. I'm going to get heavy duty ones. And these are going to carry more weight because this rack, I just put it down on the floor so I can take out the wheels and replace them. All right. So we're going to replace them with this one.
That's what I said. It's Swivel.
Alright, I forgot to mention that these all have brakes, alright? And they give you extra screws in case you need to, doesn't fit, along with the wrench too. Just in case, alright? But I didn't need it. I have them all 4 installed. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how much heavy load it could actually carry. Alright, fully loaded, guys. Alright, super heavy. There's a computer, boxes galore. I'm going to show you how easy it is to move this thing around, alright? Let me put the camera down so you guys can see. All right, so moving it, look how easy it is now. I'm able to move it, and if I want, I can hit the brakes right here. Then we'll move, right, off, brakes, and then move it back. And this is probably like 200 and something pounds on it. Heavy stuff. All right, look at that. Put it against the wall. Lock it in place, lock both wheels in place, and that's it. Very simple. All right, this thing is super heavy. I added a lot of weight on it, so it's gonna hold off a lot of stuff. So let's see how it looks at the end. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.